Now look.
This is permanent.
Yes. Yes.
Not going out anywhere.
Not coming up. No.
Anywhere.
Yeah, no. Again, the only way these can be damaged are two ways. One, without having the food touch the teeth together and grind it. And two is when you, if you don't get your teeth cleaned daily or every 3 months.
Oh,
I don't know if you ever got this one, did you?
one, yeah, I think I have one.
So if you can, but I'll try the little brush. If you can get there, then you can use that. But any place that you can get this little brush in there, it's be easier probably. You just have to run that back and forth. Same thing here. Okay. Once a day, at least, okay?
It's better not to eat anything.
No, you have to eat. You invested too much not to eat, not eat. You invested way too much not to use these teeth. Okay?